Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple and hassle-free steps to set up your Netfun WiFi extender. This extender will enhance your internet signal strength, expand coverage, and eliminate frustrating dead zones in your home. Watch closely for a seamless setup experience. Begin by unboxing your Netfun WiFi extender. Inside, you'll find the extender, a user manual, and often a quick installation guide. Carefully check the package to ensure all items are included and undamaged before moving on to the setup process. Next, plug your Netfun Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet positioned approximately halfway between your router and the area requiring better Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure the outlet is in a clear, unobstructed space. Wait for the power LED to illuminate, signaling it's ready to proceed. Now, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and connect it to the Netfun Wi-Fi extender's default network. Navigate to your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for a network labeled Netfun_EXT. Select this network and tap to establish the connection. After connecting, launch a web browser on your device and enter 192.168.188.1 into the address bar. This will direct you to the Netfun Wi-Fi extender setup page, where you can configure the device for optimal performance and connectivity. Log into the extender's setup page using the default credentials provided in the user manual. Typically, both the username and password are set to admin. Enter these details carefully to access the configuration settings and begin the setup process. After logging in, locate and select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks displayed on the setup page. Enter your Wi-Fi password accurately, then follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. Once completed, the extender will automatically reboot. Finally, test your improved Wi-Fi coverage by connecting your devices to the extended network. The network name will usually match your main Wi-Fi, but with _EXT added at the end. Ensure your devices connect seamlessly and enjoy enhanced signal strength and extended coverage. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And there you have it. Your Netfun Wi-Fi extender is now fully set up, boosting your home's Wi-Fi coverage and eliminating dead zones. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.